Hello guys, my name is Prince and this is Math Center. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Post your comments and questions on my social media handles and I'll respond to it. We are on the topic probability. In the previous video, we solved a practical problem on probability. We are going to solve another practical problem in this video. The question for this video is, a bag contains 10 balls that differ only in color. 4 are blue and 6 are red. 2 balls are picked at random from the bag, one after the other with replacement. What is the probability that both are red? That is I. Both are of different colors. Both are of the same color. So there are 10 balls in this bag and they are identical. They only differ in color. 4 of the balls are blue and the remaining 6 are red. We are picking 2 balls from the bag, one after the other with replacement. And we are being told to find the probability of these events. We will solve the first one in this video, then we will solve the others in the subsequent videos. So we are going to use this diagram here to represent the bag. We have 6 red balls and 4 blue balls. That means that we are going to have a total of 10 balls in the bag. The first part of the question says that we should find a probability that both balls are red. So the probability that both are red. Remember, we are selecting 2 balls from the bag. So if both balls are red, it means that the first ball is red. That is, the first ball we will select is red and the second ball we will select is red. This will give us both balls being red. The first is red and the second is also red. So the probability that both balls are red is equal to the probability that the first ball is red and the probability that the second ball is also red. From the videos on multiplication and addition law of probability, we learned that when we see and, we are going to replace it with multiplication. When we see or, we will replace it with addition. Here we have and. This means that we are going to have probability that the first ball is red times the probability that the second ball is red. So now all we need to do is to find the probability that the first ball is red and find the probability that the second ball is also red. So we come back to the bag. We have 6 red balls and 4 blue balls and a total of 10 balls. So the probability of picking a red ball, that is picking the first red ball, is the number of red balls in the bag divided by the total number of balls. And that will give us 6 divided by 10 because we have 6 red balls and a total of 10 balls. So it means that we have picked the first red ball. So you have picked that first red ball from the bag. We have our multiplication sign here, so we will bring it. Now we are going to find the probability of picking the second red ball. But remember, the question said that we are picking the ball one after the other with replacement. So you have picked the first one. But because the question said we are picking with replacement, what this means is that we will drop the first ball back into the box, then we will pick the second ball. That is what this statement means with replacement. It means that after you have picked the first ball here, before you pick the second ball, you have to drop the first ball back into the box, then you pick the second ball. So before we pick the second ball, we will still have 6 red balls and a total of 10 balls in the bag. So the probability that the second ball is red is also equal to the number of red balls in the bag, which is 6, divided by the total number of balls in the bag, which is 10. So if you are picking with replacement, it means that after you've picked the first ball, you drop it back into the box, then you pick the second ball. So the probability that both balls are red is equal to the probability that the first ball is red, which is 6 divided by 10, times the probability that the second ball is red, which is also 6 divided by 10, because we are picking with replacement. 6 divided by 10 times 6 divided by 10 will give us 9 divided by 25. So we can say that the probability that both balls are red is 9 divided by 25. The second part of the question says that we should find the probability that both balls are of different colors. We are going to do that in the next video. So see you in the next video, and let's continue solving this question. Bye bye.